Hello everyone, I am Mo and you are welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Today I will share my super fast skincare routine as a person with combination skin, and the skincare starts from cleansing. If I work out outside, I go on with this double duty cleanser from Bioderma like the one I showed in my last video, but if I am working out inside, then I go on with either of these two cleansers. Gentle cleansing gel from Rovectin and dual barrier mild gel cleanser from Celimax, because all these cleansers do their job efficiently but gently. I will tag all of these products in the description. In case you make any purchase using any of those links, I will receive little bit of commission. After cleansing, I put few drops of first treatment essence, which you can totally skip. Then I apply my creamy toner or creamy serum when my skin is already damp. If you don't apply any first treatment essence, make sure you apply those creamy products when your skin is already damp. In case you don't have any creamy toner or creamy serum, don't worry. Take your moisturizer, lightweight ones, and dilute it with your toner. On top, I apply a combo of watery toner and viscous toner because I have combination but dehydrated skin. But if you fall into oily skin category, I feel you should apply only the watery toner. It would serve you better purpose. And then I take little bit of my sunscreen and apply them all over my face and neck when my skin is already damp. Yes, I know sunscreen should be used in enough quantity and should be used on dry skin and not on damp skin. Yes, you are right. But I want you to take it not as a sunscreen, rather a moisturizer with sun protection factor to lock everything in. From cleansing till here, the entire process takes 5 minutes max. And then I put on my clothes, doing my hair, maybe wearing jewelries, spraying perfumes, and then I take the same sunscreen and apply it like a sunscreen. I never apply two different sunscreens at a time because it was strictly advised by my dermat. You can use other sunscreen for reapplication purpose, but never two different ones at the same time. And that's how my skincare routine looks when I don't have time, but I want something balanced and breathable. I also shared what I do when not just my skin, rather my skincare stash is floating in between two seasons. Summer is approaching and some of my winter appropriate skincare products are not finished yet. I have to utilize them because I have to finish them. If you find this video routine helpful, like it, hype this video and subscribe my channel if you want to hear only honest reviews. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.